Oh, look at there. I'm getting flowers on my sage here, and we need some sage for our cocktail. We don't need a lot. I'm thinking maybe 3 for muddling and 1 or 2 for garnish, maybe. Where's a nice one? There's a nice one right there. I'll grab 1 more and we'll be in. Okay, let's make a cocktail. Oh, here's my iris. He's fallen over. I'm thinking I need to trim him too and put him in a little vase. Okay, let's go in. How lovely is that? It's a tall one, isn't it? I love irises. Okay, we are going to make a Hoochie Mama. Now, I know the name isn't quite reflective of what the drink actually tastes like. It's a very elegant drink, but Hoochie Mama just seemed right. Okay, so what we want is, I'm going to take 3 sage leaves, all right? And I'm going to take some lime juice. And all we want is about 1/4 ounce of lime, fresh lime juice, in with our sage. Loving it. Lime and sage, I'm thinking that's going to work really well. All right, that looks good. And simple syrup, we want a teaspoon. It's a thick, simple syrup I made. It's more of a gum syrup. Oh, look at that. And we just want a bar spoon. Right. I have to get it off my bar spoon now because it's so thick. All right, all we do is gently muddle these 3 ingredients. You don't want to pulverize it. Oh, holy crap, that sage is just jumping out of the glass. How lovely is that? That's awesome. Okay, that's good enough. Now, pineapple juice is next, 3/4 of an ounce. Galliano. I thought I'd bring out the flavor of the vanilla in our mix. So 1/2 ounce Galliano. Ooh, perfect. 1/4 ounce Domaine de Canton. That's our ginger liqueur, and I was a little disappointed that we didn't get as much ginger pulling through in our special hooch. So I'm gonna fortify it. And finally, 1.5 ounces of our wonderful Lemon Ginger Hooch. And if you want to make your own, check it out over here. The recipe's there, and it is absolutely delicious. So 1.5 ounces. Sweet. All right, and with finally 2 drops of orange Angostura bitters. Doesn't have to be Angostura brand. Orange bitters. Okay, toss in some ice. And shake it like a Hoochie Mama. Oi! How does a Hoochie Mama shake? I don't know. Just shake it. Oh yeah, looking good. Yeah. Now I've got a chilled cocktail glass in my freezer here. We'll just grab that. Yeah. All right. And just double strain it out. Oh yeah. Lovely. It fits this 6 ounce sour glass just perfectly. Okay, and garnish with a little piece of lime, a lime wheel, and a piece of sugared ginger, and I guess it's appropriate that we have a couple little pieces of sage floating there too. Oh, look how elegant and wonderful that looks. Let's give it a go. It is so balanced, so wonderfully refreshing and elegant. The name really should be changed to the Elegant Hoochie Mama. I don't know. Yeah, technically it took 2 weeks to make this, but hey, it's well worth it. Somebody make one because they are absolutely delightful. I'll be having a few of these. And I got a whole bottle of my hooch, so I'm in good shape. Cheers. All right. All right. It's upstairs, I think. Shit, man. There's always something. I'm on Patreon now. Yeah. For just a few dollars a month, you get access to things that nobody else sees. You get bloopers, you get podcasts, newsletters, and sneak peeks. You get a whole whack of stuff that you're gonna love. So become one of my booze hounds and help support the show. This stuff gets expensive, and every little bit goes back into the show. Thanks in advance. That is so delightful, and as you can see, it's almost gone. That's how good it is. You know, you gotta check out some other videos, especially on how to make your own hooch. And be a hoochie mama, hit the subscribe button, and in the future, well, I've got a lot left. I'm gonna be making a few more cocktails, different cocktails, for our patrons on Patreon. Cheers.